Hello, today we will guide you through how to update Microsoft Excel 2010. To begin, open Microsoft Excel on your computer. You can launch it the same way you normally would, whether that is from your desktop, Start menu, or a shortcut on your taskbar. Give the program a moment to fully load so you can clearly see the main Excel window before moving on. Starting from inside the app is important because the update controls are built into Excel's menu system. Once Excel is open, look to the top left corner of the screen and click File. This will take you away from the spreadsheet view and into the Backstage area, where Excel stores settings, account details, and update-related tools. If you are not used to working in this section, do not worry. It is a standard part of Microsoft Office and is where many maintenance options are located. After that, look toward the bottom left side of the File menu and click Account. This section usually contains information about your Office installation, product status, and available update features. If your screen looks slightly different, take a moment to scan the left-hand menu carefully. The Account option is typically grouped with other general settings and support tools. When you are in the Account area, find and click Update Options. This opens a small menu with choices related to software updates. This is the place where Excel checks for newer fixes, improvements, and security patches. Keeping Excel updated can help the program run more smoothly and may also improve compatibility with newer files and features. From the Update Options menu, click Update Now. At this point, Excel will begin checking for available updates, and if any are found, it will start the update process. Depending on your internet speed and system performance, this may take a few minutes. It is a good idea to save any open work before running updates, since Office apps may need to refresh or close during the process. While the update is running, avoid shutting down your computer or closing Excel unless you are prompted to do so. Let the process finish completely so the installation is not interrupted. Once the update is complete, you may see a confirmation message letting you know that your version of Excel is up to date. And that is all it takes to update Microsoft Excel 2010. By following these steps, you can help make sure your software stays current, secure, and running at its best.